welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is HRD in Indian Industry. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject Human Resource Management and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of human resource management, concept of personal management, evolution of personal management and human resource management and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about this topic. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic which is HRD in Indian industry. So how the HRD in Indian industry evolved, how it is growth up, we will discuss here. So in India, the practice of HRD started in 1970s. Before 1970, personal management was popular. But with the globalization and liberalization identifications, the HRD took its speed to high ends. Larsen and Turbo L&T was the first company to design and implement an integrated HRD system. So after 1970s, the HRD taken a drastic growth in Indian industry, which is taken by the L&T company. In 1973, HRD was taken. And in 1979, HRD was taken a topic for training and workshop. Taking this issue as an important current subject, XLRI had set up a HRD center. A national HRD network was also established in 1985. Several leading companies have gone ahead in creating separate HRD departments to improve employer-employee relations. So in the HRD, there are different drastic changes done in the departments in the companies to improve the employee-employee relationships. Some of these organizations are listed as below. So there are few private sector companies and few are the public sector companies who firstly started the HRD department, which is Larsen and Turbo, Asian Paints, Ashok Leyland, Crompton, Greaves and Voltas, whereas in the public sector companies, BHEL, Indian Oil Corporations, Steel Authority of India, State Bank of India and Elimco was taken a big growth in the HRD department. In 1982, Professor T.V. Rao conducted a survey of HRD practices in Indian industries. Only 17 out of 53 companies had formal policy focusing on HRD. All in all, HRD appeared to become a significant aspect of work life in many organizations. The main conclusions of Dr. Rao's survey was given or discussed below in the upcoming slides. So, Professor T.V. Rao conduct a big survey of practices based on the HRD practices. Points of focus in the survey are formal HRD policy and the percentage of companies having formal HRD policy is 32%. Whereas 30% companies having separate HR department only, according to T.V. Rao, and 26% of companies had developed oriented performance appraisal system based on HRD system. 55% of companies having particular features on the definite training policy, according to T.V. Rao, and only 50% companies has separate HRD manager. And the 80% of the companies done employee counseling for the development or solving the issues of employees within the organization. Another survey was carried out by T.V. Rao to judge HRD climate in Indian organizations. The survey revealed that general climate was not very conducive to HRD due to general indifferences of employees to their own development. The top management in most organizations were not making sufficient efforts to improve the quality of work life. So T.V. Rao again done a survey which revealed that general climate was not very conducive in HRD due to general indifferences of employees and their own development. Professor T.V. Rao has summed up the current thinking in the field of as follows: that we must understand that corporations are not in the business of HRD, they are in their own business, but HRD is an important tool which unfortunately is being used in a limited sense. The corporate vision has not been attached to it. Actually, human resources must become the business of everyone in the organizations. So, TVRO result concluded these statements on the basis of the surveys. HRD plays a significant role in market economies and more so in an Indian economy tending towards market conditions like India. Global competitiveness has created customers diagonally opposite to what we have today. This is the problem, challenge, and opportunity. Response to digital competitiveness involves new customers. So HRD takes different problems as challenges and do different types of development in the Indian economy, in the Indian industrial market sector also. Meeting the requirements and desire of the new customers, demand for competent, developed human resources with the human approach towards customers. Thus, liberalization has a positive impact on HRD. HRD strategies of India would be downsizing of organizing structure, building organization structure based on characteristics of the organic structure. So basically, HRD industries in India focused on the downsizing of organizing structure also. There are some other features of Indian HRD strategies which are providing the scope for internal customers approach in structuring organization, enriching the jobs at all levels, creating autonomous jobs, performance planning and development, preferring empowerment rather than supervision, providing conducive climate for teamwork, creating the value towards new customer orientation also. So different types of new things are done in the HRD system in the Indian industrial market. Encouraging innovative and creative ideas, providing conceptual and informing role to the employees, developing anticipatory and participatory approach, culture binding, competency building, commitment building, structuring business groups, creating learning organizations are also included in the HRD system in the India. There are some focus points in HRD system in India which are developing participative approach in automatic learning, provisioning, training and retraining, developing managers continually, introducing the techniques of organization development, developing reward system contributing to automatic human resource development, providing the challenges and scope for proactive learning, developing the skill of adaptability also. So participative approach and automatic learning is also included in the HRD system in India. There are some other focus points in the HRD system in India which are developing the aptitude towards different jobs and encouraging job rotation, developing the value system center around competition, providing healthcare facilities to arrest the erosion in the existing skills, knowledge and abilities, and providing social and culture programs to satisfy the social needs of employees. So basically, HRD system is focused on the employees' development and the cultural development of the organization to provide better feedback by the employees also. In addition to increasing the international competitiveness of Indian industry for export of goods manufactured in India, a lot of international companies are outsourcing many services from India, what is now known as business process outsourcing, which is BPO. This is in addition to creating many jobs for Indian without going abroad. So basically this is all about the HRD system in the Indian industry. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So in India, HRD is just started after 1970s. Before this, personal management was popular. After globalization, liberalization, it was taken high place in the Indian industry. After 1979, HRD was the main part of the each of the organization in India. Few organizations also taken as important department in India, which are generally Asian Paints, L&T, Ashok Leyland, Crompton Greaves, Vale, IOL, SAIL, etc. Professor T.V. Rao conducted two surveys to check the HRD policies, to conclude the HRD policies, uh, and give different types of results related to these surveys. He again made a survey related to HRD topic and give result as a concluding statement. HRD plays a significant role in market economies for the development of economy, and HRD strategies in India would be based on several activities like downsizing, building organization structure, providing scope for internal customers approach, creating autonomous job, performance planning, empowerment also, encouraging innovative and creative ideas among employees and employers, developing managers continually introducing new techniques in the organizational development also. There are some other provisions also included in the HRD system in India. So this is all about the development of HRD system in India. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, human resource management, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.